Hey y'all, Simone Nicole back with another Amazon wig review and unboxing. And today we are working with DOCRIT hair, and this is what the package came with: some true scalp bands, some HD wig caps, and this is the unit, y'all. So you can clearly see that it comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked as well, chef's kiss, and the lace is also HD. Y'all, this lace is definitely giving HD. I don't know how I could tell now, but this is just like, it looks like an HD lace. And let me show y'all. Look at how it just disappears into my skin. I definitely think this is some HD lace, y'all. And then it doesn't look like white, like how transparent lace be looking. It looks like HD, y'all, and it's super thin. Like, y'all can't really tell from me just showing y'all that, but the lace is super thin. So definitely working with some HD lace today. So I just noticed install about to eat. HD lace eats down. Haven't even put no makeup on it and it's melting into my skin already. Like, what? Ooh, y'all, the parting is deep. Yeah, it's a 5x5 wig, y'all, and it's giving, ooh, it's definitely giving 5 inches. Look how deep the parting is. I love that. Oh my god. I'm just gonna turn this to the side a little bit more so this part can be a little deeper.
Because you got it on medium heat, but you don't want to turn it up to 5 because they crispy, they so good, y'all. They so good. So I burnt this sausage, but it's okay because
Y'all, those M&Ms be so good. Like, those are the best M&Ms, hands down. And right here, I'm just hot combing the top, getting it super flat, parting out my baby hairs, plucking them because they were a little too thick. And then I hot combed it in the direction that I wanted it to lay, so that it wasn't sticking up. Cutting off the lace, which again is just amazing, like some real HD lace. Cutting the baby hairs, curling the baby hairs, taking my Fantasia holding spray if you missed that, and then laying these baby hairs down, y'all. And I'm also just pushing that hair back out my face and cutting off the extra lace that I had forgot. Cutting the baby hairs a little shorter. I always cut them longer than shorter so I can just cut them as I go. And look at that. That looks so good. Like, they look fluffy, perfect. All right, so that right there looks so good. And I am gonna put some makeup on my part to clean that up, but I'm about to cut some layers into this hair. Definitely gonna put some layers, a good amount of layers in this hair, and trim the ends because I want it to be blunt with layers. And then we're gonna do some barrel curls with the curling iron, y'all. And I'm gonna trim the bottom, just cut it blunt. That was a good little amount, oh my goodness. But that's exactly how I want it to look right there, blunt. Same thing over here. Okay, and now we're gonna give it some layers. Okay, not too much. And then some layers over here. All right, and I'm definitely gonna have to pluck this a little bit more because that right there looking dense, we don't play that, okay? We pluck our wigs and we make them look like scalp. This right here needs to be plucked a lot more because that's just not giving scalp to me. Like, it looks way too dense. So definitely gonna pluck that some more. Okay, y'all, and y'all see it now. Y'all see what it's giving now. That looks a lot more natural to me than what it was looking like at first. All right, so let's start these curls. This thing is so hot, y'all, and I'm just scared because this thing is so big. Like, I'm just so scared for this to touch my skin, because this be burning so bad. Like, my God, I'm terrified of these hot tools touching me. Okay, see, we gotta get through this fast. It got me, y'all. It got me. See, we gotta get from around this ear. We gotta hurry up, and because we gotta hurry up.
I think it's fine. I don't know.
Y'all,
But I know
oh my goodness. A second time.
I want to.
Bro, in the same exact spot. Like, what? And these curls are falling on my arms so hot. Like, let me hurry up for real. Like, seriously, because now I'm scared for real that I'm gonna touch my ear again. You know what? I'm just not even gonna curl at the top. We just gonna focus on the bottom. We just gonna focus on the bottom, honey. Cause I mean, that's just unnecessary. Y'all see the name of this? Hot tools. They ain't lie. They didn't lie. I mean, they got that part right for sure. All right, so I just sped through me curling my hair, and this is how the curls turned out. And I kept on toying with those baby hairs when I really should have just left them how they look, because the more I messed with them, the more I was like, I don't like how this looks, and I just kept on like combing them and brushing them. But yeah, so this is how the curls turned out. And then I'm taking some concealer right here and putting it on my part to clean up where you can see my wig cap versus my real hair, and that got me right on together. Yup, now I'm combing out these curls, and they honestly turned out very, very nicely, you guys. I literally love that curling iron ever since I got it. Like, I've been using it all the time. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty much how it turned out. I love how this turned out. And first of all, I love the lace on this wig. Like, I don't think I've ever gotten no HD lace from an Amazon wig, you guys. I think this is the first Amazon wig that has HD lace, like 5x5 HD invisible scalp melting lace. And the lace literally melted into my scalp. Like, before I even put any makeup on the lace, it was melted into the scalp, and it's super, super thin, y'all. Also, it comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached as well. So this unit right here is just so bomb, y'all. Like, I'm gonna have this link down in my storefront in my description, so y'all definitely go check out my Amazon storefront and put this unit in your cart and get it, because this right here is fire. Like, I'm not lying when I tell y'all this is a fire unit. It's the lace. It is the lace for me. And after dealing with so much lace, y'all, and doing Amazon wig reviews, like, I can tell when lace is HD now, because it's so thin and it literally just melts into your skin, no makeup. Like, this is some quality lace, you guys. So definitely get this unit. The link to this unit is on my storefront. And again, this is DOCRIT hair and 26 inches, 180 density. So thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye.